Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Last day of 2020 and I decided to have a nice just walking trip somewhere where it's nice and quiet and nobody around. You can hear like drone actually tracking me. I'm on the beach in the Britas Bay, nobody around, just some wild horses. I really enjoy the spot and I really enjoy the weather. It's supposed to be snow today and tomorrow. I decided to come here today because this is one of my favorite places close to my house and I can still keep my social distance and I can keep my traveling around the country where I am right now. Why the best spot ever is just here. And I want to talk today about 2020, how it's going, and also on the very end to wish you all the best for the next year. It's almost finished, just few hours left and we can start new year 2021, hopefully more exciting. For me the most exciting that's mean with a bigger travel possibility, because this year lockdown just actually crushed completely all my plans with the travel and I did how much it's possible and I did quite a lot, but just around the county and I saw almost all villages and small cities in my county and mountains and lakes and everything what was possible to see, just to don't lose the time and sitting at home. And when it was the time when I sit at home, because it was just the limit to 5 kilometers, I just enjoyed my time in the garden. That was the Easter time, was great weather and I built a garden cinema and that was a really good time as well. I never have a time to watch all movies what I watched that time, and Netflix and everything, and also I watch my vlogs, what was really cool to see my film on the big screen. Whoops. Getting rainy and stormy actually. I finished my fly lessons for today, around 1.5 hours. How you can see new accessories, new gadgets and everything to make my videos more attractive and more interesting, and also to showing the places where I'm visiting when I'm traveling from different perspective. I think make it really nice. 2021 will be a year when my goal for subscriber will be 1000. I never focus on subscriber, I never do anything, I didn't even hashtag videos, but 2021 the goal is 1000 people. We will see if that will happen. I do my best hopefully with the drones and all the footage that will be possible, or maybe even more, you never know. But definitely that's one of the goals for my new year. Today 31st of December 2020, and let's do some like quick flashback to January and February when we didn't have a lockdown yet. Everybody heard about the corona and stuff like that, but nobody really reacted for that. And after first lockdown, first almost 4 months, 4 months with absolutely stunning weather, where I spent all time in the garden enjoying the sun and focusing on the plants and reading and enjoying life, what was really good. Was like really long break what I need, and I really enjoy. After everything back to normal for just around 2.5–3 months, and we got another lockdown. Really cool, because I think if we have a lot of time, we can use this time to do everything what actually we never did before, or we always want but we never have an opportunity. And of course I don't thinking about the travel to Bali or somewhere else, or like do something really outdooring, because that will be difficult, but reading, exercising, catch the contact from the people what we lose for a long time, and just, you know, just enjoying time the best how it's possible. And I think I just use this lockdown times really the best how I can, and I'm really happy. 2020 was really lucky for me. I still have 2 hands, 2 legs, and I'm healthy, and this is the most important what we can have. I really want to thank you 2020 for all things what I did, and how I actually progress with any area of my life, what was really important. And now the very end of the year, it's like really boom, lots of extra things happened, lots of things like improve, and actually so many things happen on the same time, but actually I don't know how to manage and how to do everything. But I'm really happy this stuff is happened now, and I know 2021 will be absolutely stunning, and that will be absolutely the best year from all the years. Of course, everything depends on you. If you are like negative and you're thinking bad, of course that will be a horrible year, because it will be another lockdown and even more lockdowns. And the all forecast says maybe until 2022, even to 23, or you will die for sure and stuff like that. Of course, from this perspective, I think we all will be depressed. But from my perspective, I'm enjoying my house cinema. I transformed the all living room for the house cinema with super ultra projector, and I'm enjoying the vlogs and videos about the travel, and I'm listening to music. And actually I cannot imagine my life without the cinema inside my house anymore, because I just listening my favorite music mix on the YouTube, and I'm watching the vlogs from the people around the world traveling to some beautiful places, and this actually make me feel super happy and super cozy and comfortable. I feel like I'm part of the trip, and this is absolutely super cool. Another few ideas where I'm working right now, and the new equipment what I have right now just make me feel more comfortable. And I know I will step to 2021 with like super equipment, new skills, and I'm really happy with that. And now I working really hard to develop my post-production skills a lot, and hopefully you will see, maybe not in this vlog, because this vlog is very spontaneous, and I decide to just record this because it's the last day of 2020, but hopefully shortly there will be huge changes for me for this, how I will filming and vlogging, and lots of things you will see very shortly. And this make me feel super strong, and I'm really happy, and I really can wait. Now we have a lockdown. The government says, Irish government says lockdown until end of January, level 5, just maximum 5 kilometers. I'm so happy. I'm living almost in a Powerscourt estate, where I have a beautiful, the most beautiful garden in the world, and I can be there every day for a walk. Maybe not now because it's rain, but if it will be snow, will be magical. why I have a space for work, and I have a space to filming and enjoying my 5-6 weeks lockdown, what is absolutely stunning. Guys, for 2021 I wish you all the best. I wish you lots of happiness, and I wish you to focus on you and enjoy only you, because you are the most important, not anyone else. Only your happiness, only your mental health, only you. You are the most important thing or person in the world. Until you are happy with everything what you do, everything is absolutely stunning, and you feel like you living in an absolutely different world than everyone else. It sounds like schizophrenic actually, but it's not. It's actually true. And I chatted yesterday with one of the YouTuber, and we just laughed because he said, "Oh, I'm enjoying my life, and I feel like I'm in a different world." And I say, I feel the same. Everybody complaining around, they are unhappy, they don't know what to do, they bored. I have no time for anything. I have so many things to do. My day list to do, it's so long. Sometimes I just have even no time possibility to do everything. But it's actually crazy. I never was so busy when I work at in a regular job for the full time than right now. And this is crazy, and this makes me happy, give me lots of energy, give me like opportunity to do new things. And I wish you, for all of you, this superpower. Just start to do something, because this is like engine. When you start working, you're working more and more and more, and you have more power, more energy, more passion, more endorphin, and everything looks better and it's nicer. Now I'm just waiting for the new GoPro equipment and the clothes collection. That's soon. I will be like GoPro from top to the bottom, and the cameras, what I actually can wait to have. Just unfortunately, because of this situation in Canal La Manche, what's happened right now with the all trucks, all shipment is delay. That's what we can do. But that will happen in January. That means I will start first week of January with like super ultra, lots of presents, lots of deliveries, and that will be absolutely amazing. Okay guys, one more time, I wish you absolutely phenomenal 2021, and see you in another vlog. See you in another post on my Instagram, TikTok. Thank you for being with me, thank you for watching me, thank you for like and subscribe and leave the comments. Thank you very much. You know, I don't really ask for the comment and subscribe, so why my statistics show me the 95% of people who watching me not subscribe. This will change from 2021, but of course, if you want to support me, please leave the thumbs up and subscribe me, and see you very shortly in 2021. Thank you very much for everything, and I wish you all the best for the new year.